The other day while I was shooting another viral video for my channel, I stepped back and heard a pop. I turned around and much to my surprise, I had stepped on the plug of my light and broke the end of it off while it was plugged in. So this light is used a lot while shooting video, and I don't want to just throw it away, so I'm going to actually repair it. And in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a plug on a light cord. So the first order of business whenever you are repairing something is to have a nice clean work area that is free from clutter. So now I'm going to make a nice clutter-free area to do my work. Alright, there we go, we're clear. In order to install this new plug, I need some basic tools. And here are the basic tools that I will be using. The basic tools that I'll be using is the screwdriver, a utility knife, and some wire strippers and cutters. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take my utility knife and I'm going to cut in between the two wires. About probably, I don't know, 3 inches back, 2.5. You got to be really careful so you don't get into the cut into the side of the wiring right here. Alright, so next I'm going to take my wire strippers and cutters and strip back the plastic off to expose the wire. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use this end right here. So if you look at the end of this wire stripper, so you're going to want to find the hole that's around the size of the wire that you're stripping back. So this is pretty thin wire, so I'm going to match it up with this one, because you only want to cut the rubber. You don't want to cut through the wire. So I'm going to come back about 1/2 inch and I'm going to try this one right here, which I believe is a 12. And I'm just going to come back right there. No, I'm going to use the other one. So you can go smaller. It's better to start out slow. And I kind of twist around a little bit. And then I pull, just like that. And then I'm just going to do that with both of them. Alrighty. So now I got to find my plug. Here's the plug. So this has like little tabs. So I'm using I think a 6-way screwdriver, which has a nut driver on here, 3/8 on one side and 1/4 on the other. And it has smaller Phillips and straight. They're very handy. So I'm going to use the smaller one. And I'm going to reach in here. And I'm going to, there's little tabs you can see right here. And a little slot. I'm going to dig in here, get underneath that slot, and pop that out. Try to do it on both sides. This can be kind of a bugger when you're doing it. Okay, I got it. So now you're going to see these 2 screws, and that's where the 2 wires are going to go. And I need to mention too that this is just lamp cord, so there's no ground wire. On some plugs you'll have a place for a ground, but on this one it's not necessary. So I'm just going to simply back these off. And what I like to do, you want to get the wires through here. Don't forget that, or you'll have to take everything apart. And what I like to do is, since take the wire, and I know that I'm going to be tightening this nut to the right, so I'm going to simply try my best and wrap this wire around the screw. So this wire popped off, so what I think I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to make these longer because I want these pieces to, the plastic to be in the center of this. So I'm going to go ahead and strip these back just a little bit more, and right there. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to spin these to keep the wires together, or twist them, excuse me. Alright, that's better. So I just twist it around like that, and now I'm just going to simply tighten this up. Sure. And repeat the process. Like I said, I'm twisting to the right because it's gonna, this screw's gonna go this way. And keep that wire, the plastic piece right here, the rubber, you can see. And then I'm just simply tighten this up. And double check them, both of these screws, because one thing you don't want them to do is you don't want these wires to touch, because they'll short out and they'll pop the breaker. And then I'm just going to simply slide this cap down and pop it on here, and bam, there we go. This is for all you who have not ever wired in a plug. It's pretty simple, and now you know how to do it. All right, here we go. I have some electricity running to an extension cord, and here's the new plug. Plug it in and fire in the hole. Oh wow, it works. Great. Cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.